Hi everybody. Again, this is Mr. Gagan. This year, and from now on, there is an additional requirement to graduate high school. As you know, you guys are going to have to take the Illinois Constitution Assessment as well as the Constitution Test to graduate. But as I alluded to earlier in my first video explaining the course, there is a new attribute called Service Learning Project. It's a 3-step project that we've developed to comply with the state-mandated graduation requirement. All we want you to do is to, 1, read this document that I have for you. Our goal is that you contemplate and reflect on an issue that is important to you. So what you'll have to do in Canvas is to do step 1. After reading the instructions here about identifying an area of concern that you feel very passionate about, we want you to think of an issue, not only an issue, but how you would fix an issue of your choice. What you're going to do is hit step 1 in Canvas, and then you will let us know what that area of concern is. If we think it is appropriate and doable, you're going to get one of 2 grades. You're going to get a met or completed, and if we feel that the issue is too hard to solve or needs tweaking, we're going to give you a grade called not met or incomplete. And then if you did get a not met or incomplete, what we're going to ask you to do, based on our feedback, is to submit another response, hopefully a little bit better and more streamlined. And then you can go on once you get that met or completed grade. Once you have gotten that grade, what you're going to be doing is then clicking step 2, and we're going to ask you to find evidence, identify at least 2 pieces of evidence, relevant statistical evidence to show that your problem actually exists. Students will collect testimonials from 3 people personally affected by the problem, and then find an audience who, your main goal in this project is to write a letter. Who will you write the letter to? And then tell us why you've specifically chosen this person, in either federal, state, or local official. And then you're going to have to come up with a solution in the form of legislation. So that will be all in step 2. Again, same process. You'll either get a met or not yet, grade or complete and incomplete. And then if it's short of met or complete, you have to tweak it until it is done. And then your last part is putting it all together and writing a letter. And here are some guidelines that you have to follow. If you're not sure who the letter should go to, we've provided some hyperlinks to some of our local officials, our state officials, and federal officials. All right. If you have questions, as always, throughout this entire course, if you have questions, please don't hesitate to email me. Thank you.